It's the holidays and you need a dessert to impress your guests? Let's make peppermint stick creme brulee. For this recipe, you'll need peppermint extract, eggs, heavy cream, and sugar. Start with 2 cups of heavy cream. Sprinkle a ½ cup of sugar into your heavy cream and let it sink to the bottom. Place your cream and your sugar on the stove and turn it on. The reason you let your sugar sink to the bottom is it helps insulate the cream from getting burned in the pan. You'll want to keep a close eye on your cream because it will overboil very easily. And the reason it overboils is when milk fats and milk separate, that creates a layer of oil on the top and steam just can't pass through that oil. While your cream is heating on the stove, separate your eggs. You'll need 4 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. To your 4 yolks and your whole egg, you'll want to add a ¼ cup of sugar. Give that a stir. A tip to keep your bowl steady as you stir is to take a damp paper towel and put it right underneath your bowl as you stir. Now let's temper your eggs. Tempering means to bring up the temperature slowly of your eggs so that they're not scrambled in your custard. You'll want to add your scalded milk that's still hot, mixed with sugar, into your egg and sugar mixture. Add in 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now find a fine strainer and strain your mixture into a pitcher or a container. You'll want to do this step just in case there are any bits of eggs that cooked. Now pour in your custard into your ramekins and fill just to almost the top. After you pour your custard into your ramekins, you'll find that sometimes there's bubbles on top or a foam on top. The quickest way to get rid of that foam and to have a nice smooth top for your brulees is to take a torch, the torch you're going to brulee with, and just give it a pop. And that will get rid of all the foam. To set your custard and to make sure your creme is nice and smooth, you'll want to cook it in a water bath. In order to do this, take hot tap water and fill your tray up to the sides of the ramekin. Cover this in your oven and cook for 45 minutes. Now that the timer has gone off, you'll want to check your brulees and make sure that they have just the slightest bit of jiggle, and you'll know they're done all the way. You'll want to take them out of the water bath, let them cool to room temperature, put them in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve them. Now we're ready to serve. We have refrigerated these and we're gonna brulee the tops. Take some sugar, coat the whole top of your ramekin and dump the extra out. You'll want to take your torch.
Okay, go ahead.
And that's how you make peppermint stick creme brulee.